Hi everyone. So in this video, we're going to be showing you the integration between LedgerDocs and QuickBooks Online, also called QBO. So this feature allows you to create QuickBooks Online transactions from right within LedgerDocs. Let's go ahead and see how it works. I'm logged into my LedgerDocs account here, and the first thing I'll do is I'll connect my LedgerDocs company with my company file in QBO. So on the left here, I have Pro Hockey School, and I'll go over to the QuickBooks Online tab here on the right, and I'll click Connect to QuickBooks. This is where you put in your existing login credentials for QuickBooks Online. Once I sign in, I'll see the list of company data files that I have access to, and I'll choose the one I want to connect. So in this case, it's Pro Hockey School. I'll click Authorize. And there we go, we're now connected. So now if I go and open up a document, it'll actually show me here at the bottom the type of document that I want to classify. So in this case, it's a sales invoice from Pro Hockey School to Roadrunners. So I would go ahead and pick Invoice. And this will show me the corresponding fields in QBO that we need in order to post a transaction. If you make a mistake and you want to change the type of document, that's not a problem. Just go back and you can change this. So let's start filling in some of these fields. And we'll start with the date. So February 12th. And I'll select the customer. In this case, it's Roadrunners. And you can see that LedgerDocs is live pulling the customers that I have in QBO to this field. So just make sure that these are set up in advance. So I'll choose Roadrunners, and I'll make this exclusive of tax in this case. And I'll choose a product or service. So let's choose services. And let's put something in the description. And we'll put the quantity and the rate. And we'll select the tax. In this case, it's GST. And if I wanted to add anything else, I can click Show More. And perhaps I will enter an invoice memo, like still needs to be paid. Let me review the rest of the transaction. I can split it into multiple line items if I want to, and if not, just keep the one and click the X to get rid of the last line. So it all looks good. I'll click Send to QuickBooks. So there we have it. We have a confirmation that the transaction has been posted. Let's go over to QBO and just make sure that the transaction made it in okay. So here I am in QBO, and if I click the top under most recent transactions, let's click through on the top, and you can see here that I've got an invoice from Roadrunners with the billing address that's pulled in from QBO. I've got the invoice date. I can go ahead and change any of these if I like to. And I've got services, monthly charges, the rate of $4,500 along with the tax. You'll notice at the bottom in the memo field, the note that I wrote is there. And under attachments, there's a link to view the original document. So if I click this, it will open up the original document inside of LedgerDocs. And this is great if you want to go back and refer to the original copy of the document that's in LedgerDocs, along with the corresponding details of that document and any notes that may have been added. So that's it. That's our integration between LedgerDocs and QuickBooks Online. You'll notice that we have other transaction types to try out, like bill and invoice as well. So we encourage your feedback. Get in touch with us either by phone or email. We'll leave our contact information at the bottom of this video. And thank you very much, and we'll see you again soon.